That looks like Julie's in a hurry. Actually got to bed at a reasonable time last night. Feeling much fresher this morning. That's our new one stop. It's a very bad place. It sells very bad things. About 90 seconds walk from my house. I mean, obviously that's not their fault.
If you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching us. Click, hang on a minute.
Just a minute.
Good morning. Wheelers at large. We're out again.
We are.
Day 10.
It was dry outside our house. It still is sort of dry, but it is getting wetter as we move away from it.
Shh, it's a dry ride.
Julie's woken up with selective hearing activated. I think she says it's the wind in her ears, she can't hear, but I'm not so sure. Yeah, so under the trees, it is actually dry, so if there was any rain last night, couldn't have been much.
This is just dew.
A heavy dew, let's call it a heavy dew ride. Right, where do we have to get on the path this time? Oh, same place. Yeah, it's a bit like the Krypton factor here some mornings because they've changed the barriers and you have to look for the entrance. I mean, when I say Krypton factor, it's probably only a Krypton factor of 10. It doesn't take a moment, but there you go. I don't know how much work they've been able to do with all the rain for the last few days. Possibly not very much if there's concrete and tarmac involved. Anyway, tomorrow we might do a ride, as suggested in the comments, in the daylight, where you get to actually see all these different things.
You know, you said you were looking back at the challenges and says we weren't working full time then.
Yeah, we'll go off the yeah.
How about we don't work full time?
Yeah, let's do that, definitely.
I'm at that age now where I'm thinking about retirement. Getting a dog. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, that's Julie and Mike.
I'm sorry, dogs and bikes don't mix unless it's mountain bikes. First proper hill in a while. Been quite flat, the rides over the last couple of days. Anyway, this is Queen's Road. And that noise is the Wessex Way, which is just above us.
It's a red light. It saw us coming. Oh, has he changed his mind? Okay, he's changed his mind. We'll go this way. Hello.
So over the next couple of days we'll be riding in the light, so let's do a ride that shows you some of these places we talk about in daylight. It's been suggested in the comments, so let's do it.
When we first started riding, I remember doing this particular hill, and it was really hard.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, this was a killer.
Well, it was, wasn't it? Back there.
Yeah.
Now we just ride up into the big ring.
Still can't see the gradient. This is Catford Cliffs. There is a coffee shop here. Sometimes it's getting ready. Just that. Not today.
I I think we're overachieving this morning. We're on 8 miles already, and this is the furthest point, so let's not get carried away.
That's the thing, isn't it? When you're enjoying yourself, you could just keep going.
To be honest, I'm ready to just keep going and do 100 miles right now.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? I just said that.
Oh well.
Actually, we're going to turn into the wind, aren't we? Or is it going to be behind us? Whoa, could be nice.
Yeah, it could be nice, yeah.
Depends how much sand's on the seafront though.
Yes, there was towels and robes and stuff up at that beach house there. So there's people out there swimming already. Oh yes, there we go. There's some lights on the water. Don't know if you can see that. But they use flotation devices with lights in them. So they can see each other and where they're going and what they're doing. It looks like they're on their way back. So they've been out there for a while, I'd say. It's 6:10.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Oh, hello. Squirmies.
Remember, relax. Keep pedaling in an easy gear. Move your weight to the back of the saddle slightly, maybe. It's just so the front doesn't dig in quite so much.
It does echo in there.
They've done an archway there, and they've done like an entrance to the square, saying come and buy your fluffy hats. Fluffy hats and German sausage.
I put the Christmas tree up yesterday.
Stop it.
In my head.
In your head, yes. .7 miles. So I think we're going to be bang on.
Back across the new bridge. Can't see anything through there.
I've got a leaf in the brake or something. Anyway, funny that, isn't it? Just ridden all along that sand, everything absolutely perfect. Come back out on the road, rubbing brake. That was cleared, whatever it was. So this is Talbot Woods. Big wide roads, no traffic. Driving schools love it. Right, let's get a good gear because we might have to sprint. Yeah. Taxi, I'm going. Yeah, no problem. Now this is the problem. Have they seen us? They have. All good. Where are we on? We are on 14.7, so we can go any way we want.
This heart rate thing's quite weird. It says I'm 152. Just stood here.
Yes, but it's still recovering from that little blast you've done along the road. Heart rate is not instant by any stretch of the imagination. It's a very much delayed reaction.
I don't feel like it's at that. So it's dropped now to 130.
Yes, because you've stopped and it's gradually recovering. We're going to have to wait for a car to rescue us, aren't we?
Yeah.
It just doesn't even know we exist now. They've gone. So it's gone a whole rotation.
Yeah,
Luckily, we've got a car now.
hopefully he'll sit on the... It's ridiculous.
There we go. In this day and age, there's no need for it. Surely traffic lights are clever enough. We've got two sets of traffic lights very close to us. Both of them are like that. They just don't know that bikes exist.
Winton High Street. Getting busier.
Right, job done for another day. I say job done. It's nothing like a job, actually. A challenge it might be, but riding my bike is always a pleasure, even when the weather's not great.
If you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching us. Click the like button and join us again for day 11.
That's it, we had another dry ride. Really liking this. I didn't even wear my winter boots today. I'm actually in the summer shoes with little toe cover things to stop the splashes going in. It's great.